much idiot in this planet today. Number 10, unang bola ng orange.
What's up?
Membro niyo ba yan?
Alright.
Oy, box out!
Jersey number 15, Susuan. And 3 points.
Walang layup yan. 3 points lang.
Ayan, Castro, pasok, bullseye. Guadabas, Wimbanyama, 2 puntos. Ready. Last throw. Basket 1, jersey number 28. The shoot. Basket is counted. Belieso ang ating kambal. Belieso. Kambal dribbles. Ayan Castro, tumira ng 3. Pasok. Time to shoot. 5 to shoot. Fortuno.
Nice D!
Basket is counted for 2 seconds. Melieso too strong.
Kali, using the word!
2 points.
Kali!
Ang galing naman, may Ota. To acknowledge the presence of Vince Gonzalez. And to shoot. Jersey number 12, tumira ng 3. Yes sir, pasok. Bullseye. Jersey number 12, tumira ng 1. Vince Gonzalez ang nagpapanakuha.
Oh, galing ni Orak ah.
Vince Gonzalez to Ovente number 16, 2 points. O yung malas yung mga friend na nanonood. Charot. Nashot. Vince Gonzalez. Edward, tumera ng 3. Sponsor. The win champion. Ora pinasa kay Mac. Yes sir. 2 points, Vaki. What's your 2 points? Score is 22-19. Tobera to Obente. Wala pa rin. Nakuha ni Obente. Yes sir. 2 points, Liam Obente. Gonzalez, welcome.
Basket pa.
Maki.
Bonus shot.
Hindi, wala. Oy, wala mo ba? Holy Tindo. Alright, ang aking kaibigan, medyo suplado na ngayon. Mr. Vince Gonzalez, the season MVP. Yes, sir! Win champion Tora Tumira na 3. Unang salta, 3 puntos. Second row, bullseye. Win champion Tora 1 point. Unang tera pasok, Winjan, Victoria. Webanyama, 2 points. Pangalawang tera, yes sir, Oliver, 1 point. Napakalayo pa ng shot niya. Oliver to Tito Deng, too short.
Counted!
Nakuha ni Vince Gonzalez. Vince Gonzalez, bonus free throw na. Gonzalez again. To Iyamo Vinke, signature move. 2 puntos para kay jersey number 18. Ang suki ng isang sa itlog. Pinakain ng aking kaibigan na naglalaro sa white team. Short rebound by Vince Gonzalez. Vince Gonzalez. Oliver. Unang tira ni Oliver. Basket is counted. Ang score is 38-30. Walo ang lamang ng blue. Pangalawang free throw. Oliver! Pasok ng Ventura. Wala kang shot clock.
Uy! Wag mo sigawan!
Sige to Vince Gonzalez. May foul na nakuha. Basket is counted. Personal foul. First team foul. Bonus free throw on Vince Gonzalez. Dalawa. 3 points the idol. John Ventura, Tobera ng 3. Pasok. John Ventura, 1 puntos. Anim na segundo para i-shot. May traveling violation. Ay, tatlo lang pala. 39-42. 3-7. Ventura. Sandali lang. Kahit breaks ang ating laruan, pero inaasal natin pang tabla. Okay? Toto, special mention to you. Unang tira, basket is counted.
Yes, sir!
Pangalawang tira. Fortuno. Pasok yan, Bata Nason. 1 point, Fortuno and Ventura. Just like that, number 77. 1 point only. Ops. Winjan Ventura. Pasok. 8 seconds to shoot. Oliver. Pasok. Deadlock. 2 fouls to give. Blue. Ang orange pala. 2 fouls to give. Ang blue penalty na. Ula. First throw on win.
Sablay mo! Jan, Ventura! Para maganda!
Bola. Basket is counted. Orange team.